So, welcome to our channel Geologica. As all of you know that PHU has recently declared their result of PG entrance exam. So yeah, today the topper is with us, Miss Ankita Dubey. So welcome to our channel.
Hello everyone.
So we will see about how she watch these exams and what is their point of view to see this BHU PG entrance examination. So let us begin with a short introduction. So please.
Okay, thank you, Gopal. My name is Ankita Dubey, and I'm basically right now pursuing MTech second. I'm in second year MTech student of Sagar University, and yes, I gave BHU entrance for the sake of that. I thought that I would leave and join BHU, but now my mood changed, and I will be here. That's it.
Okay, so you are from Dr. Hari Singh Gaur University, which is also known as Sagar University.
Yes,
So
yes.
mostly many teachers prefer some general books like K.M. Manger, Dexter Perkins, John de Winter. So would you like to give an idea apart from these books if you have used any other books?
Yes, of course. One of the book named Earth Materials by O'Brien. That book is really helpful, and yes, it helped a lot for me to enhance my basics. Basically, it has many subjects like igneous, metamorphic sedimentology, general geology, and yes, structure is not there, and a little more subjects. But the part which it covers at its best. Every examination you can face by reading that book because it has all the basic concepts, all the standard things which a geologist should know and should read about that topic which is being covered in the book. And of course, we have to read more books for enhancing our knowledge. But I would suggest to read earth material as well because it will really enhance your basics.
So for the practice of MCQs, there are several books are available in the market. So for the best practice, which MCQ book is do you think it is the best?
See, I think that MCQ books like Azhar Hussain, Asaf Saeed, R. Bobche, and this Shakil Ahmed, all are good with respect to the purpose for what you are studying. Like Asaf Saeed, you should study when you require a higher level of study, right? And like Azhar Hussain, R. Bobche, these are for IIT JAM and other university MSc entrance exams. These are good books, but you should not rely on the answer key. Basically, the answer key is not very well established. The answers are wrong there. So you must find on Google, read in books. Then you should uh, look for the answers. You don't have to blindly trust on the answer key and say yes, this is the answer. No, you can prefer any of these four books or anyone. I don't remember the names of rest of the books. If anyone knows, then he or she can prefer. But look for the answer key. Don't trust it blindly. That's it. I would like to say.
Yes, many books have wrong answers. I have also seen. So, what was your strategy by using these books? How you prepared them, and have you follow a particular timetable or some randomly, whatever your strategy?
Yes, Gopal. Actually, I would like to start with the thing that Bangar, Mahapatra, Padmil Singh, all books are good. Everything is good, but you should have a root on the basics. If you're studying Bangar, that doesn't mean you are done with the subject. No. If you have basics clear, then these books are good for the revision purpose. If you don't have your basics, then these books are not going to help you. That's why most of the teachers to say that these books are rubbish and all, because these are not going to help for basics. These will just help in the revision purpose. So I have, for my study strategy purpose, I would like to say that I have studied with the old paper. I have actually seen the old papers, solved the old papers, which helped me in knowing the pattern of the examination. And then I preferred the Bangar Mahapatra and Earth Material as well, because I like that book a lot. And yes, but the papers help a lot in the concepts that what type of questions are going to come in the examination. So that was the strategy, and yes, my some of my friends also helped me uh, in the purpose of clearing the examination and in the strategies for the studying purpose. So good friends are also helpful sometimes.
And so when I was saying the PG entrance paper recent, so there are certain questions asked from the metamorphic petrology. And whenever we talk about petrology, this is the branch of petrology, metamorphic petrology. It is relatively difficult because of their several reactions. And reactions are important because there are many phases, and each phase has its own characteristic reactions. So, how to tackle with these reactions?
Yes, Gopal, I would like to say for the purpose of reactions and in the petrology that people yes face the difficulty in reading and grasping the equations, reactions, but the main strategy for the petrology is the mineralogy. If you have basics cleared in the mineralogy, you know the formula of the minerals, several minerals, you can easily create the reaction yourself. If you know the formula of olivine pyroxene, you can create what could be the product of the reaction. If if K feldspar is asked in the product, then olivine and pyroxene cannot react to form K feldspar. So this is the only uh, strategy that you should know that what comes in the mineral formula, and you can create your own reactions. You don't have to mug up the things. You can you don't have to memorize, even you can learn it by heart if you know the mineralogy properly. That's it, the strategy I would like to say for the viewers in the petrology purpose.
So, this is the mineralogy is very much used for these reactions. If you know mineralogy, you can simply by saying which minerals are reacted and what should be the product. So, if we look
Yes.
about the mm, this stratigraphy. So, stratigraphy has several formations, several beds, groups, subgroups, and there are different ages. So, it becomes a relatively difficult task to correlate with these ages and different formations. So, how you deal with these problems?
Yes, stratigraphy is really a hectic subject, I would like to say. But according to me, I don't say everyone should prefer, but yes, one can try. Let's start with Bangar. Bangar has really a very specified things and very well mannered arranged things. Like they arrange the formations according to the age. What is being formed in Permian, what is being formed in Cambrian. We can see that, and this has a lot in correlation. So one should study. If one is not preferring Bangar, no problem, but one should study with respect to ages. Correlation becomes very easy if you are studying with respect to ages, the formations that something is formed in Permian. So read everything of Permian first, wherever it is found. So it helps in learning also कि yes Permian में this मिलता है, so it really helps. And yes, then you can prefer Ravindra Kumar, DSI volumes, anything, but start reading with correlating with ages. This will help in learning, and you will not need to mug up the things then. That's all.
Yes. So means we should read about the ages about such as Permian age. So where we are getting the age of Permian now. So we can correlate like this. Now, many of the students who are in geology subject, they are from maths background. As being, I am also from the maths background and faces a lot of difficulties remembering the paleontological words being very difficult names of fossils. So, how to deal with this problem that to remember these fossil names?
Yes, Gopal. Actually, I am also from math background, but I would like to say that paleontology is one of my favorite subjects. It
Wow.
is because when you you don't have to learn paleontology like you have to grasp the things uh, or mug up the things. You have to learn like it is a ongoing lifestyle thing, na? Everything you, most of the things you see, snails you see, the shells you see in the sand, everything is seen by, most of the things are seen by us somehow. Like the Cypria, we used to play that thing, na? So that becomes very easy. So I would like to suggest that read with the help of diagrams. Never read text more in paleontology. Read with diagrams. That will help, like what is found where in that animal. So it helps a lot. And the other thing is, if you don't, if you want to see the live creature, live animal, then you can see on the Google Photos, Google Images, or Google Videos, anything you prefer. That helps to that makes a clear image in your mind. कि हाँ, this animal looks like this. So it also helps to learn paleontology, and you will not forget that anymore. So this is the basic concept of learning paleontology.
Yes, diagram is very important. As the professor said, if you know the diagram, you know geology. So, diagram is
Yes.
very important. So, although you have scored a first rank, All India rank 1 in the BHU PG entrance, but you are not going to take admission. So, we would like to know what are the reasons.
See, as I have said in my introduction, that I am already enrolled in MTech in Sagar University. So the first thing is the first reason is this, that I am already settled here. Earlier, it was a problem for me to manage with the hectic schedule of first year MTech. That is a little hectic to 8 to 10 hours of field or classes and practicals. So it became hectic, and I thought that I should go BHU and join BHU, because I found that I have heard that people get time for themselves there. But then when I came in second year, I feel that I am settled here, and if I'll quit, I have to settle and make a new settlement there, which will waste my time anyhow somehow. And yes, my time will waste, and I can prepare for other things like BSI gate in that meantime. So I found that I can continue here, and then there I will proper residential of Sagar University Sagar. So here is my home. Everything is at home. So this makes a good decision of not leaving Sagar and studying here, because all, and then you have to study yourself. The thing is, yes, some teachers can help there for gate or something, but the more efforts are of the student. So I can prefer for here only. So that's the main reason. Another is the COVID pandemic, that I don't
Yes.
want to leave home and go there with such a pandemic situation. So I found it more comfortable to stay at home and study in Sagar University. That's it.
Yes, this is a really very hard time being the pandemic from the last 4 5 months. Our university, colleges, everything is now closed. So, before going to end our session, uh, we would like to know what are your future plans? Would you want to research in your subject, or you want to go in GSI or anything else?
I actually the main aim is clearing gate, and actually the main aim is clearing gate and going to ONGC. And yes, the research field is not meant for me, as I think, because I'm not. I'm least interested in that field, but let's see what options come further, what opportunities come further, because sometimes the things are not, things don't happen according to our plans. We have to go with the things. So, yes, my purpose is great, but let's see what happens next.
Yes, we should prepare for everything. We don't know what's going on. Okay.
Yes.
If you want to say something else, or if you want to suggest anything else, so you can say to our viewers.
I would like to say to the viewers that one very important thing that start dreaming. Dreams are really important to accomplish something. There are no limits to what you can accomplish until and unless you put the limits on your dreams, on your thinking. So dream as big as you can if you want to achieve something and work hard until you can achieve it. That's all I want to say. And if any viewer want to know anything else, he or she can ask in the comment box. And yes, of course, one thing: surround yourself with people which who don't think that if I will tell him or her something that will increase my competition. That is really a very important thing one should know. So
Yes, yes.
this is really, I have some people, I have some of the friends which are just away from these things, and they share everything they know, and we are like we share everything, and this helps a lot because one cannot read in everything, na. So some part read by him, some part read by me, some part read by another, and the sharing makes everything one for everyone. So this should be the strategy for all the students. This eases the things. So that's all I want to say to the viewers.
Yes, so one should not cannot read anything, everything. So we should start discussing. So thank you, viewers, and thank you, Ms. Ankita Dubey.
Yes.
Congratulations once again. Thank you.